ora koutou katoa. No mai hoki mai ki PukeroaPāoho, the voice of Rotorua Primary School. We've got an exciting broadcast this week featuring the New Zealand Warriors, Ahurei preparations and some special moments with our kaumatua. Let's get straight into it. We're starting off with another episode of Mic'd Up With Ahli. Last week, Rotorua Primary had the honour of performing the pōhiri to welcome the New Zealand Warriors to Rotorua. After the pōhiri, Ahli had the chance to interview a few of the players, asking them questions, getting their thoughts and capturing some really cool moments for our kura.
Kia ora, my name's Ali Gillies and we just finished the pōhiri for the Warriors and we're just going to interview them. So, name's Matsukino Gray. Excuse me? Can I interview you, please?
Yeah, I'll just take a photo.
Yeah.
Which turn?
No, just like...
Okay, with you.
Okay. Kia ora, what's your name?
Kia ora, my name's Taisha and I play for the New Zealand Women's Warriors.
And what position are you?
I play centre.
And who was your idol growing up?
Oh, my idol growing up was actually a netball player called Temapara George. I'm a bit older, but she was amazing. I don't really have a league idol yet.
And do you know Matsukino Gray?
Yes, she's my teammate.
Yeah, she's my cousin.
Ah.
Oh, and can you give a shout out to Rotorua Primary, please?
And a shout out to Rotorua Primary up the waz.
Thank you. Kia ora, what's your name?
Bishop Neil.
And what's your position in league?
I play back row.
And who was your idol when growing up?
I'll probably say my idol was like Greg Innings or my dad. Yeah.
And do you think Leka Halasima got robbed?
I feel like everyone deserved what they got.
Yeah. And can you give a big shout out to Rotorua Primary, please?
Yeah, shout out to Rotorua Primary.
Thank you. Kia ora, what's your name?
My name's Kirk Capewell. What's your name, sorry?
Oh, Ali Gillies.
Wade Egan.
And what's your position in league?
Second row.
Dummy half, number 9.
And who was your idol growing up?
My dad.
Footy wise, I used to go for the Knights, so Andrew Johns and Danny Medeiros.
And can you give a big shout out to Rotorua Primary, please?
What is it?
Rotorua Primary.
Hey, Rotorua Primary, Kurt and Wade here. Thanks for having us.
Sure.
Thank you guys.
Stacey.
And did you play in league?
I used to a long time ago.
What was your position?
I was a halfback.
And who was your idol growing up?
Who was my idol? Oh wow. My grandfather. He played for New Zealand. Yeah.
That's good. And can you give a shout out to Rotorua Primary, please?
Go to Rotorua Primary, up the waz.
Kia ora, what's your name?
Dallin Watson is your listener.
And what's your position in rugby?
I play on the wing.
And who was your idol growing up?
My idol, player. My dad's my idol. I think everyone's dad's their idol, but a player would I love Jared Hayne, Greg Inglis, and Will Hopewadi. Love the way they play the game.
That's good. And can you give a big shout out to Rotorua Primary?
Yeah, let's give a shout out to Rotorua Primary. Hope you guys are well and hope to meet you. Am I going tomorrow to meet them?
Yeah.
We'll see you tomorrow.
For taking the time to corridor with us and making the visit so special for our tamariki. Next up, we're taking you behind the scenes of this year's primary school, Ahurei. Our roopu had been practicing hard, polishing actions, finishing brackets, preparing uniforms, and putting in all the mahi needed for the big event. Here's a look behind the curtains. Let's have a look at what our roopu have been doing.
Okay, what's your name? Te Tonga.
What's your name?
Cody.
What are we doing today?
Ahurei.
What's your favourite song?
Tamata Kapua.
All of them.
And since you're the leader, what's your favourite song to lead?
Kewaho.
And if you were a leader, what song would you want to lead?
Same as us.
Hi, what's your name? Pirihira Kamana. What are we doing here today?
Doing Te Ahurei.
What's your favourite song that you guys are performing?
All of them.
And which song do you want to lead the most?
I don't know.
Hi, what's your name?
Kaya.
What are we here doing today?
I'm doing a Kapa Haka performance.
What's your favourite song?
Probably Kāpoipoia.
And what song do you want to lead the most?
Kāpoipoia.
Okay, hi, what's your name?
Mila.
What are we doing here today?
We're doing our Ahurei performance.
What's your favourite song you're performing?
Probably Arara and Tamati Kapua.
And what, song would you lead mostly?
I don't reckon I'll lead any, but my favourite one is probably Tamati Kapua.
What's your name?
Mahalia.
What are we doing here today?
Ahurei.
What song is your favourite?
All of them.
And if you were to lead, which song would you lead? Okay. Yeah.
Te whānau. So today we are at Kapa Haka Ahurei today, and we're just going to interview some people. Say cheese! Kia ora, who are we here with today?
Charlie.
And who are you representing today?
Rotorua Primary School, PukeroaPāoho.
And what is your favourite move or whatever to do in Kapa Haka? I like doing the poi, and my favourite move is probably on the Hiarasaki part. And what's your favourite song? Pukaki. And got any favourite actions, pukana or anything? No. Kia ora, who are we here with today?
Israel.
And do you got like a solo part or something in Kapa Haka?
Yep.
And what's the solo? What song is it in?
Matariki.
And what's your favourite song in your guys' bracket?
Probably Pukaki.
Okay, top. And what's your favourite action or pukana or whatever? Yeah, favourite action.
Just a Pukana.
Can you show us, please? Come on, everyone's been doing one. Go. Proper one. Proper one. Kia ora, who are we here with today?
To go.
And do you have like a solo or whatever?
No.
Oh, and what's your favourite song in your guys' bracket?
Pukaki.
And why is it?
Because it took us ages to learn, so you gotta like it.
Oh, that's a tough Kia ora, who am I here with today?
Jorvi. Mila.
And do you guys got like a solo or part in Kapa Haka?
Nah.
And what's your favourite song in your guys' bracket?
Pukaki. Probably Matari.
And what's your favourite like move or action to do, like pukana or whatever?
Probably the one in Matariki we go like that.
Oh, that's a cool one. And what's your one?
Probably the one in Pukaki we go like. Oh, that's a good one.
That's a good one. And thank you. That's the end of the interview with Jovi and Mila. Today?
Kiriyama.
And do you got like a part or like a solo in Kapa Haka?
Yeah, got a corridor.
And what's your corridor?
4 quarter.
Kia ora, who am I here with today? Ali Pari de Miguelis. What's your favorite song? Probably Pukaki, yeah, Waitaringa.
Do you have any solos?
Nah, unfortunately, no.
What's your favorite action?
My favorite action is this one.
Okay, that was the best one yet.
So, kia ora, who are we here with today?
Nation.
And do you have like a role or like a power solo in Kapa Haka? Okay, it's okay. And what's your like favorite song in your guys' bracket?
Probably Matariki.
And do you have like a favorite move, like a pukana, witty? Go show me. I'll do it with you. Ready, 3, 2, 1.
Devon.
And do you have like a part or role in Kapa?
Nah, just good.
And what's your favourite song in your guys' bracket?
The Haka.
wehi. Both roopu did an amazing job representing our kura. What an amazing week here at Rotorua Primary, full of manakitanga, performance prep, and meaningful connections. A huge mihi to everyone who featured in today's stories, and thank you all for watching and supporting PukeroaPāoho. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel so our whānau and community can stay connected with everything happening in our kura. Mōri ora kia pai tō koutou wiki, and we'll see you next time on PukeroaPāoho.